Hi everybody, it's Mark Lieberman, your solar ace at Harvest Power, covering all of Long Island, Westchester, New York City, and all of New Jersey. I'm sitting here with our newest client today, Mr. Karthi, who was just installed this afternoon and this morning. And I just reviewed the paperwork with him, and I was hoping I could ask you a few questions.
Sure.
I know that you are an accountant by trade.
Right.
What made your decision to go solar? What was it that you wanted to go solar for? What was the reason?
To begin with, we do not have gas supply in our house, and the alternative is the oil, which is crazy expensive. So I was looking for some options to go after. So I chose to install heat pumps. So that has a feature for heating as well as air conditioning in the summer.
Sure, of course.
And it is going to increase my consumption of electricity, which is not cheap. So I was looking at few options, and one was solar. So I went online, and that's how one of the websites connected me to you. And I'm grateful. We had a wonderful experience. Then you came and gave me a very good price, and offered, not you, but you found a good way to finance it. So it's a no-brainer.
Yeah, we used the New York State program for you, which was fantastic. It's some people just get the lowest of the lowest rate right now. It's just unbelievable. You were one of them, so congratulations.
Thank you.
Being an accountant again, tell me a little bit about your tax incentives and how long you think you're going to be able to get that money back to you. Do you think that's something that will come back to you this year in April?
I think so. You finished it in a tight deadline. I mean, we talked in November, and a lot of other people never thought they could finish it within a year. And it went very smoothly, and you had a wonderful crew. And I'll share something. I did a Roth IRA conversion.
Okay.
Which triggered some tax.
Okay.
And I used to pay for this. So that worked out very well. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you very much for your time. Did you have any questions for me before we end it?
No, I'm extremely satisfied, and I'm glad I did this. And it's a very professional company, local, Long Island. And Mark is always a person, not a number I have to talk to. And it's a great company, great team. I'm very thankful for it.
I really appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate that a lot. And if anybody has any questions out there, make sure you reach out to me at 516-673-6473, and I'll take care of you personally. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.